as you can see, I am just going to talk about some makeup products that I have. So I just wanted to share with you guys some of the makeup stuff that I have. No biggie. But yes, let's get into it. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nurse B, and I am back with another video. All right, as you guys can see, this video is like a mini makeup haul. I'm just gonna be talking about like some of the makeup products, the brushes, you know, the eyeshadows, and you know, eyeliners and stuff like that I have in my little, as you can see, mini makeup haul. Okay. Also, I'm going to tell you guys where I got this little spin around, which I think is so cute. So yes, stay tuned for that. All right, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so this is my little mini makeup haul. Some of these products are new and some of them are old. So I'm just going to show you guys what I use and stuff like that, or what I love to use. Nothing big, okay? For the big haul, stay tuned. This is just a mini haul. I love to use the LA Girl concealer. I love to use this LA Girl Pro concealer. These are so good as far as when you need to highlight like under the eyes and stuff like that, or your eyebrows. I usually use Fawn, but I also have like Toffee, and it works for me, and I love them. Let's see. So yeah, I have Toffee here, and I also have Fawn. Fawn is my favorite. I have some tweezers here. You know, put on the eyelashes and stuff. I also like this concealer. This is like, it's like a different brand. I like to use other brands of stuff. Expensive or non-expensive, it doesn't matter to me. But Pacifica, this is also a good concealer that I use, and it gives you good full coverage. So definitely try this one out. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys. I got this from Sally's. Guess how much this was? $1.50. It was on sale, and these are like fake lash, like mascara. And when I tell you, like this right here, it's so it has like a lot of volume. So I wanted to pick it up, and it's $1.50, so it's a great buy. So if you stop by Sally's and you see this, it's called Fake Lash Instant Volume. Grab one of these. They're really good. I also like to use NYX or NYX. It's the matte finishing matte. I normally use this after I apply my makeup, like my foundation. Like after I apply my full face of makeup, I finish it off with this setting spray, and it is amazing. It really sets my makeup. So far I've been doing good with this product. This is an old mascara. I can't really remember who's the company, but I think I got this from Sephora, and I don't think they have this anymore, and I don't know the name. Well, let me see. I don't know the name. I cannot remember the name, and it's not So it's old, so it faded off. So it's not there anymore. I love lip gloss, lipstick. I love it all. Oh, let me show you guys. So let me show you guys. So I got a few of these from Sally's as well, from Ardell, and these were $1.50. These are brand new, so when I try them out, I'll do another review. But when I tell you guys I love lipsticks, or lip gloss, whatever it is, so I had to get it because it was a great buy, and I hear Ardell is a pretty good makeup brand, so why not? I also got these, which is amazing. Oh, hold on. This one is also from Ardell. So I'm going to do a review on all three of these, which is from Ardell. And I'll give you my review on what I think about these. These are brand new. They were $1.50, so can't beat that. These are cute as well. These are from Wet n Wild. I thought these were cute. These are like lip gloss, and they have like glitter shimmery in there. Yeah. So I haven't tried them out, but I grabbed them because I love putting lip gloss on top of my lipstick so it can pop. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. I also have some from NYX or NYX, and I love this. Is like what color is this? It's called Teddy. I love this color. If you want like a darker nude, go with Teddy. Let's see what else I have in here. I have more NYX and stuff like that. Yeah. NYX. Oh, and I also have some BH Cosmetic lippies. Let's see. Oh, one of my favorite foundations. This is a foundation stick, and I got this at Ulta. I was like trying out new, let's say, foundations, and I wanted to try something new. So this is like the foundation stick from Lancome. I fell in love with this stick. I feel like it gives me a lot of coverage. So it's almost done, but it's like a lipstick, but it's a foundation. Oh my god. And you can carry this in your purse. This is like easy to carry in your purse. Like you don't have to have like a whole big thing of foundation and stuff. So this comes in handy. So I love to carry this with me. My go-to is Fit Me. I love Maybelline Fit Me. This product gives me the ultimate best coverage. And it's inexpensive. It's probably like $5-6 at your local Walmart or CVS, Walgreens, or Target. I love Fit Me. This is like my number one go-to. If I don't have like Lancome or whatever, this is my number one. I always, always, always use Maybelline. And it really, you know how it says Fit Me? It really fits my skin. Like, perfect. Like, no, something that I can't explain, but I love this makeup brand. I love Maybelline Fit Me. So I already have makeup on, so I can't really do like a makeup tutorial, but if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, let me know. I also love to use Benai translucent powder. I love to use Topaz. And I also have let me show you guys. I also have the Benai banana powder. I'm still trying to figure out if this is for me because when I use it, it makes under my eyes too bright, and I don't like it. So if you guys can help me out with this one, like I've tried the banana so much times, and like don't get me wrong, it's really good, but I don't know if I'm not applying it right. But the topaz, this one seems to fit me better. So I don't know. I use this one more than the banana. Also, Airspun is another good face powder. I use this as well. Like I like to like go between the Airspun or the topaz. So, you know, I feel like it gives good coverage, to be honest. It's just a banana. Child, your girl, she be looking too light in the face, and I don't like that. So I'm still working with this. Let's see here. I got this as a gift from my friend. It's a pressed glitter beauty glaze palette, and I think I only use it a few times. And I'll show you guys the colors. The colors are really cute. The glitters are really, really cute. I'm thinking of doing a glitter look probably like in a few weeks. So I'll give you guys an update on this beauty glaze palette. I never heard of this product, but it was a gift, so I'll give it a try. This is my favorite. I love the Gwen Stefani palette. I know it's old, but this is your girl's go-to. I know it's very old, but this is my, hold on. This is my go-to palette. Let me clean this off right quick. It's a little icky, but yeah. I love this palette. I, as you can see, love to use this, like, what is it called? 1987 gold look. That's my favorite. And I also like the punk. These are my two go-to colors in this Gwen Stefani palette. But this palette is really, really good. I use this for, like, if I'm going out, like, special occasions and stuff. I'm going to use this 1970 gold color. This is a glitter galore. I got this as a gift as well. I mean, I don't know. I've never really tried a lot of glitter. Alright, like I was saying, this is like a glitter galore luxe collection. I think I thought it was cute, so I wanted to give it a try. So I'll let you guys know how this is. Alright. Black Radiance. I love to use Black Radiance. I use the color Rich Mahogany. Sometimes I use this like as a contour. And it works really well for me as a contour. So, like I said, this is just a mini makeup haul. Like, this is what I have so far. Like, all my other makeup, I just didn't want to really bring them all out here because it's a lot. I love the MAC lipsticks. So this color is taupe or something like that. And as you can see, it's almost done. I use that one all the time. And this color, I have a second one in matte taupe, A75. It's almost done. I need to get more. Heron matte A25. This color is so beautiful, purple. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it with one of these glitter looks. It's really pretty. Oh, And this is my favorite. This is called, where is it? Diva, because you know your girl is a diva. This is the Diva from MAC, and this one is so beautiful. It's like a dark burgundy. I think I wore this for one of my graduations. I can't remember, but it's a really beautiful lipstick. And this is Sin. And this is like a darker burgundy. As you can see, I need to get more of the MAC lipsticks because I love them. But I don't have much anymore because I use majority of them and I'm out. So I'm down to like 5 MAC lipsticks, which is good. I also love to use this NYX or NYX eyeshadow base. I usually use it like on my lids if I'm putting like eyeshadow. So this is good for your lids. Alright you guys, so this is the end of my makeup mini haul. If you guys like the products, let me know. If you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know as well. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share this video and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and I love you guys. Bye.